the list of languages we have, right?
Where?
Okay. See, Bulgarian. Now, in the left side, where text to speech is, the language is set to Hindi. And now, click on
Yeah.
the Hindi. Click on the word Hindi and see, does it have the language Japanese? Then it will speak.
Yeah.
Then it should speak. Okay, let's give it a try again. Okay.
It'll have almost every language. Half of the
Hmm.
languages are there.
Not many.
Oh,
Dress. Campus put Japanese.
wait. Japanese, Japanese.
Make sure you're writing the correct spelling. Okay. Yeah.
Japanese. This is the correct spelling of Japanese. Wait, so am I seeing this? Japanese. Now let me type hello. It should say konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。
Now it came. Oh, maybe it was a spelling wrong. Maybe it is a spelling wrong. I know it.
"こんにちは。何してるんですか?"
Oh my god. Wait, you see that letter?
Yeah.
It happened like that, and then there's a box in the middle. So down, this is a translator again. Wait, am I sharing screen?
Yes, you are sharing screen and I'm listening.
Now I have to go to